Affordable luxury can be yours with the Jefferson by Village Homes. Enter the spacious living room with wood beam accents and oversized windows. This open floor concept transitions well into the kitchen and dining area. Pendant lights and overhead cabinets coupled with sleek black appliances complete the design. The master bedroom allows for multiple furniture placements without overcrowding. And the bedroom flows nicely into the master bath. A separate corner tub and shower, in addition to the double sinks, makes this a practical space for mom and dad. There is a convenient utility room and additional bedrooms for the kids. Welcome home to the Jefferson.